Hi, I'm Lubu, and today I'm walking you through setting up my mining project in Python using Deepnote. I'll break down every step and explain what each Python command does. If you're new to data analysis, you will see how I turn a raw CSV file into a clean, ready-to-use dataset. Before we get into the code, let me quickly explain what Deepnote is and why I'm using it for this project. Deepnote is a cloud-based data notebook that lets me write and run Python code directly in the browser. That means I don't need to install anything on my computer. No Python setup, no Jupyter installation, no libraries to configure locally. Very easy. Everything runs online, and it comes preloaded with key tools like pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. I can upload datasets, write code, visualize charts, and collaborate all in one place. This is especially helpful for big datasets like the one I'm using it here, which is over 737,000 rows, because Deepnote handles the compute and keeps everything organized in cells. So if you're just getting into data work or want a fast, clean way to experiment with code, Deepnote is a great option. Let's dive into the technical part. So first, I created a new project in Deepnote. After logging in, I'll click the new project right over here. This opens a blank notebook where I can write and run code right in my browser. Next, I grabbed my dataset from Kaggle. It's called Mining Process Flotation Plant Database. I uploaded it to Deepnote by dragging it over here on the left side. Before coding, I needed 3 Python libraries. So let's get back to my mining project over here. So in the beginning, I first write this command over here, pip install pandas, seaborn matplotlib. That exclamation mark, it tells Deepnote to treat this like a terminal command. This installs those libraries so I can use them later. Now I imported them with these lines. Pandas handles data tables. I used PD as a shortcut to save time. Seaborn makes simple clean charts, and matplotlib it gives me extra control over those charts look. Now it's time to load the data. I used this command over here. This pulls the CSV into the data frame. Think of it as a big table in a memory. I called it DF, short for data frame. This is my main data set for the project. To check it, if it's loaded right, I run df.head. This shows me the first 5 rows of the data frame, plus the column names and values. But I spotted a problem. Some numbers used commas instead of periods. Formatting quirk from the file. So I fixed it with this command. This tells pandas to treat commas as decimal points. Next, I checked the dataset size with the df.shape. It returned 2 numbers. First one is the number of rows, the second one number of the columns. This is a big data set, as you can see here. So I knew I'd need to filter it before making charts. One final tweak, the date column, it was just text. So I converted into a timestamp with this command over here. Now it's proper determine object. This lets me filter by time, pull out hours and group by days later. And that's it for the setup. I installed the tools, cleaned the CSV, and built a working dataset store in DF. In part 2, I'll show you how I filter the data, create visualization, and start answering questions with Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.